What's up, guys? It's your boy Nelson from legitimateincomeonline.com. So guys, it's been a while. I've been out there doing my thing. Okay, today I'm just coming back with another video. We're going to start web hosting. This is just a mini guiding what web hosting is and what can be done and blah blah blah. So guys, stay tuned, stay up. If you're a newbie, this is real helpful for you, so stay up.
Young rapping dude, might just trap with you. Coming with the thunder, baby, might just clap your crew. I roll out in the morning light with that Harley bike, all black. I'm the party.
Okay, I'm back again. So we're going to start what in web hosting is. So as you can see here, let's get it real quick. As you can see, web hosting is just is putting up your website or domain on the www network, okay, world wide web. Okay, putting up is just like hosting. So you putting your domain into a networking of world wide web. Okay, web hosting is done in order to give access to the world to your sites. Okay, so that is where web hosting coming from. So web hosting is done with the help of a server which is connected to the internet. The server connected to the internet in order for you to put your website into www, which is world wide web. Okay, in order to have your page, okay, or your site connect to the web, you need first of all you need to have a name. You need to name it. So when you come to name it, the page or the site, that is what we're calling domain name. Okay, there are free domain where you need to pay for hosting. Okay, you get a free domain, but you need not paying for hosting. But also there's other those type of domain name which you get for free, and there's no need for you to pay for hosting. That is, they have a restricted service, by the way. Okay, so hence it's good if you have a low costing domain hosting. Okay, do you get me? If you have a low budget but paid is preferable to the free service, so you need to go to a paid rather than go with the free service. Domain name usually end with .com, okay, .net, okay, .org, .edu, .info, .in, .net, and I already say that, and so on. Okay, it can even end in with a country, AU, or other thing which are always popular. Okay, some suffix indicate the business they are in, like, okay, let's say about edu, which is going to be different about education, so the site is going to be all about education. .au, which is about a country, okay, it's going to be from Australia. RO from Roman, and so on. So, and also when you go to ORG is organization, okay, NGO, blah blah. Okay, that is all about. So a domain name usually ending with those type of way. Okay, so you need to have a domain name and ending with something. Okay, with we call it I don't remember. Top level domain name. Okay, that's all. But when you choose a domain name, you must keep in mind that it will represent you on the web, so make sure that you choose a clear name. Okay, so choose a simple and concise name, preferable one that reflects or is your brand name. Okay, before you go in and buy a domain name, make sure that you do that. The name should be going with you. Simplicity is as much as accuracy as people will need to remember it to get back to you. Okay, it should not be too difficult to remember. Okay, once you decide on a domain name, then you will have to turn in your attention to the other factor required for a good web hosting decision. Okay, so if you already know about your domain name, then it's about go to hosting, where you're going to host in your domain, where you're going to put your domain to a certain server, blah blah. Okay, so you need to consider some of the factors before you put in your domain on a hosting. One of them is capacity of the storage for your domain, traffic transfer capacity, customer support service, and reliability of the server. So we're going to start with the storage capacity. You need a minimum of 500 MB, which will be upgradable by your web host when you feel you need it. Okay, you can upgrade it. Yeah, the price is going to increase if you want it. Okay, This usually involve hiking the web hosting price as well, as already say. If you want to upgrade the capacity storage which you're going to install all of your data, okay, in your website, image and blah blah blah, so you need to upgrade into a bigger storage. With regarding to transfer traffic or bandwidth, we call it bandwidth, most web hosting offer about 100 GB transfer traffic transfer per month, which is okay for a small, even a media website. Okay, please take care that this is included. Without the traffic to your website, your site will be dead. Okay, just remember that without the traffic to your website, your site will be dead. Some web hosting who charge very less for hosting will have additional price for transfer. For traffic transfer, be sure you know about it and agree to it. Once you are in with a web hosting, changes is cumbersome. Okay, it's going to be tiresome to changing from one host to another. You already do a lot of things with your website, so it's come to very difficult for you to transfer your website. Even though I already put a video there on how to choose a domain and how to choose how to transfer a domain, okay, from one hosting and to another. I think I put the link there. It's all about setting down into another company. Not say about hosting, that is about a transfer domain name. But when you come to web hosting, somehow it's going to be cumbersome and there's a lot of things to be done with your other web hosting. So another factor is the most critical factor is service support. Okay, in order to have a good traffic and build a good rapport to your website, it should always functional. In case there is some problem in accessing either open of a page, okay, or downloading page, okay, the web host will be able to settle the problem as fast as possible, as time will cost you money and business. Have some example, maybe you run an ads, okay, maybe that ad at the end of the day your website is down, then it's going to be a cost, and the people when they go to your website they think that this is some bullshit, maybe something, so you're going to incur a lot of costing, okay, to acquire those traffic again. Ideally they should provide you with round the clock 7 days a week service for paid for paid service. Okay, that is what web hosting is, should be available every time. So every time there's a problem with your website, you can access to them, they can give you support. Okay, last but not least, their server reliability. When you come to rebuild your site in the eyes of your customer, okay, you should be available. If your site show up a server not found, which is very bad, guys, when server not found, all the time your customer shift their business elsewhere. Okay, if they're going to buy a certain, either you offer something, they're going to shift. They don't want to see that type of server not available, which is going to be very bad for your business. You should ensure that your web hosting is done by reliable and up-to-date server, which can and will provide round-the-clock service, which adequate backup in case of any interruption happen. So those servers should be up and running. They have to assure you they deliver about 99.5% uptime in their backup plan. Okay, so they don't depend on only one server. If one server is down, they should have a backup in order for your site to be available in a high standard. Okay, nothing about your website to not be available on the www. Okay, so when you come to hosting, guys, I'm highly recommending you go with a blue hosting. They even give you a free domain, so you'll save a costing of domain. So that is how the thing is. If you want to see a full tutorial, you can head over to www.legitimate-incomeonline.com/starting WordPress. I think I'll put the link down below for you to go and starting building your WordPress blog. Okay, you can follow the guide, it's very easy to follow. Let's see if I have it around here. Okay, as you can see, and by the way, this guiding is going to give you a full until the ending for you to even to set up some other thing in your WordPress. Okay, So here you're going to see a full comprehensive guide from starting to finish. You're going to search and the package of Blue hosting, which is pretty good. So this guide can help you do for you to start out with your blog in 2019. Even though if you are 2020, okay, you can still use this guiding, is still there. You can start in there, and here you can see I use 4 simple steps when starting my own WordPress blog with Blue hosting. So this is a step which when I need to follow when you come up to starting a blog. Okay, this is a step. I don't know if I'm going to talk about it later on. I think I'm going to say in another video, show you this type of step on how you're going to follow them. Very easy. There's nothing to worry about. If you go wrong, just hit me up. I'll be here for you. So nothing to worry. I can even help you in set up everything. Okay, nothing to worry. I can help you because you're one of my homie. I want you to grow. I want you to go big, okay, with this type of hosting. So if you have a problem, I think I'll be available. Okay, the price here, as you can see, I think I'll talk in some other video, or go and check out the link in the description below. Okay, go check it out real quick. Okay, and at the end of the day here, I think I put a link for you to download as a PDF. Okay, as you can see here, you can download and read later by just click this, download and this blogging guide and read later, which is amazing. There's nothing to worry. You can download it and install in your computer, and then every time you want to read it and follow this guiding, you can follow it and just building up your WordPress blog and starting doing what you gotta do. Make that starting your small or medium website and building your business online is one of the cool things which is so much trending. So thank you so much, guys. I hope that you find somehow helpful with this mini guide. So we hope to see you at the top. So I'll put the link also with the Blue hosting, and I'll put the link for this site for you go to see this guiding. So thank you, and we hope you enjoy this video. Peace.